Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I am going to be playing with the fantastic Nickelodeon slime. Oh yeah. Oh, so cool. It's super cool, guys. It's a big shining light. It's really cool. Oh, you can squish it, you can put your fingers into it. It's really cool. You can stretch it and stretch it until it breaks apart. And guys, there's these little tiny little itty bitty balls. You put them in. There's also this little cherry. This is what it's supposed to be. Right here. That's what it's supposed to be. So let's make it like that. So first the cone shaped, and then pop. It's a little cherry on top. Let's make it smaller so the cat can fit. Wait, guys. I think I can just pull the edges off. Then bam, we made slime. And there's also supposed to be a straw that goes with it. It's right here. So let's put it in. And now we have our own Nickelodeon coffee, or slushy, I should say. Here it is, guys. But I'm gonna break it up. Here it is. It's your own little slushy. Really good. I give it a billion thumbs up. And you guys need to give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it out. You don't have to have the little red thing on it. You don't have to, guys. You can just leave it like this, normal. And you can just rip off the leftovers of slime, and it doesn't do any harm to the slime, so it doesn't it only does harm to this. See? Just gets blue stuff on it. Just get blue slime on it. And once it sits for a day, it gets really brown and icky. But you don't have to have it like that, like I said. So, let's try to make some cool things with it. Let's try to make a big bubble. Something on the screen. Okay, guys. Look at this. Aw, we didn't make it. I couldn't tell if you guys could see that, but because you can't really see through slime when you're making a bubble. Okay, guys. Aw, it didn't work. What else can we make? We can make little feet for like a tiger or something. You guys can't see. I'm gonna make it better so you guys can see. Little red ball, get out of the way. Nickelodeon slime cup, get out of the way. Okay, get that and a little bit More feet. Another foot back here. It's right here. Let's try to make it more wide. And one last foot. There's 4 feet on a tiger. So let's put the last foot right there, and let's make the little legs. It might not stick up, but it's fine, because we don't need them. There we go. We got one big fat leg. Got one tiger leg. One tiger leg done. Another tiger leg to go. Or 3 more tiger legs to go. Another tiger leg. Okay, that one's done. Let's make this one. And guys, be really careful with this slime because it might get on your clothes, but you can wash it out with like some, if you get this anywhere in like the sink, it may clog it up. Oh, that foot didn't work. Or that leg didn't work. Let's make this last leg. Yeah? I need it. Hold on. Okay, there's that. Okay. Pretty good at making feet and legs. So guys, I guess that's the end of the video. So guys, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please turn on notifications so you never miss another video like this. And also please subscribe because it helps grow the channel. And also leave a like just so I know that you care about me. So guys, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.